The power steering pump is a vital component of modern vehicles, making steering more manageable and driving more comfortable. Without it, maneuvering a car would require significant effort, particularly at low speeds. This article delves into what a power steering pump does, common issues drivers may face, and how to maintain and repair it effectively. What is a power steering pump? A power steering pump is part of the power steering system, which helps drivers steer their vehicles with minimal physical effort. This hydraulic device generates pressure that moves fluid into the steering gear, enabling smoother and more controlled turning. The pump works in conjunction with other components like the reservoir, hoses, and steering rack to ensure responsive steering. It is especially beneficial for larger vehicles where manual steering would be cumbersome. Signs of a failing power steering pump. Recognizing the early warning signs of a failing power steering pump can save you from costly repairs and unsafe driving conditions. 1. Whining or groaning noises. A common indicator of pump trouble is a whining or groaning sound, particularly when you turn the wheel. This often points to low fluid levels or internal damage to the pump. 2. Difficulty steering. If steering becomes stiff or unresponsive, it's likely that the pump isn't generating sufficient hydraulic pressure. 3. Fluid leaks. Power steering fluid leaks are another sign of pump failure. Leaks often appear as red or brown puddles beneath your car. 4. Squealing belts. If the belt driving the pump is worn or loose, it can create a squealing noise, signaling that the pump may not be working effectively. 5. Burning smell. Overheating fluid caused by a malfunctioning pump can produce a burning smell, which should be addressed immediately. Why professional repairs are crucial. While DIY enthusiasts might attempt basic repairs, complex issues like pump replacement or diagnosing fluid leaks require professional expertise. Technicians have the tools and knowledge to ensure repairs are done correctly and efficiently. Additionally, professionals can identify related problems that may go unnoticed, such as damage to the steering rack or reservoir. Why choose Perris Auto Repair Center for power steering pump repairs? When it comes to reliable power steering pump repairs and replacements, Perris Auto Repair Center is your trusted partner. Our experienced technicians use state-of-the-art equipment to diagnose and repair issues with precision. From fluid top-ups to complete pump replacements, we ensure your steering system is in top condition, providing you with safe and comfortable driving. Contact Perris Auto Repair Center today to schedule an appointment and experience expert care for your vehicle's power steering system.